If you're wondering how to build a freelance profile that shows your process, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can create a profile that stands out and gets you noticed by clients. And don't worry, I'm not just going to talk about your basic profile. We'll focus on making sure you showcase the process that helps clients understand exactly how you work. Stick around until the end for an exclusive offer that could give your freelance game a huge boost. To start, the first thing you need to do is outline your process clearly. It's not enough to just say you're skilled at what you do. Clients need to understand how you approach projects. For example, if you're a designer, instead of just showing your portfolio, outline the steps you take from concept to final product, like research, brainstorming, drafts, and revisions. This helps clients visualize the journey they'll go through when they work with you. Next, break your process down into digestible chunks. Think of it like a roadmap. Start by creating sections that reflect each major stage of your work, whether it's initial consultations, the draft phase, feedback loops, and final delivery. This transparency builds trust and shows you're organized. Once you've broken it down, visualize your process with images, diagrams, or even screenshots of past work. This is where showing, rather than just telling, becomes crucial. Use your past projects to illustrate each step you mention. If you're a writer, for instance, you can share a snippet of your outline, a rough draft, and then the final piece. That gives potential clients a clear understanding of how you take a project from A to Z. Now let's talk about your profile layout. Make sure it's easy to follow with clear headings and bullet points for each part of your process. Clients shouldn't have to scroll endlessly to figure out how you work. It's all about making the process simple and accessible. If you can show your process in a clean, well-organized manner, your profile instantly becomes more attractive. You also want to include testimonials that speak to your process. Look for clients who can vouch for how smooth the project ran because of the structure you provided. A good testimonial isn't just about how great the final product was. It's about how your process made the work easier and more effective for them. Now, I've tried a lot of popular freelance platforms, and if you want to take your profile to the next level, I recommend trying out the software we'll be using in this video to streamline the whole process. This software helps you showcase your process in a way that's both visually appealing and easy to understand. And for viewers of this channel, I've secured an exclusive free trial to give you a head start. Check out the link in the description below to access it. Here's your key takeaway. Building a freelance profile that shows your process isn't just about listing your skills. It's about demonstrating the steps you take to deliver your work and giving clients a clear, organized path from start to finish. When you make your process visible, you instantly build trust and set yourself apart from others in the marketplace. To recap the main points: 1. Outline your process. 2. Break it down into clear steps. 3. Use visuals to demonstrate your work stages. 4. Keep your profile easy to navigate. And 5. Include testimonials that highlight your process. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great way to start building your freelance profile with a tool that works seamlessly with your process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.